Assemblywoman Fiona Marr. And oh, I did it, hepatitis B, all right. Assemblywoman Fiona Marr, the newly appointed Speaker Pro Tempore of the California State Assembly, or as Mike Inouye said, the Speaker Pro Tempora. Right. Assemblywoman Marr is also the honorary chairperson for the San Francisco Hep B Free Campaign. How about a few words, please?
Thank you so much. It's so great to be alive. What a beautiful day. We have much to be thankful for. And just turn around, look at your neighbor, give him a hug or a handshake, and just, you know, let's celebrate one of the last 3 Japantowns here in the United States. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Assemblywoman Fiona Marr. And now the Japanese bilingual Michael